Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Indian festivals are incomplete without our traditional sweets. Let's welcome this festive season with lots of zeal, positivity and finger-licking traditional sweets. So today's recipe is one such irresistible, super delicious and easy to make traditional Indian sweet, Khoya Burfi. Come, let's get started. For making Khoya Barfi, I have taken unsweetened khoya or khova or mawa 400 grams. So two packets I have taken. Grate them well. You can even add them without grating, but grating makes it much easier. And now it has been grated. Keep it aside. Now take a pan, preferably a non-stick pan, and add the grated khoya to it and cook over a very slow flame. Keep on stirring, and cooking over a slow flame is very important. Add half a cup of sugar, followed by a pinch of salt, and this is absolutely optional, but I feel that adding salt will definitely add some taste, taste better actually. And add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to it and half a teaspoon of rose water. If you have rose essence, you can add 1 or 2 drops of rose essence also. And keep on stirring it and cook over a very slow flame. Keep on stirring with a spatula. Never leave it at all, otherwise it will get burnt at the bottom. Now this is the halwa consistency, but we don't want this consistency. We want perfect burfi consistency. So keep on stirring it. It took about 15 minutes, for me to get this burfi consistency. So cook it over a slow flame, and now you can see this is the perfect consistency. Not so soft and not very hard. And remove it from the heat and transfer it to a plate. And just mix lightly and spread the mixture over a burfi plate. Now I have lined the tray with aluminum foil. You can use even butter paper also, and spread it like this, and then smoothen the surface and let it rest in room temperature for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, rub some ghee to smoothen the surface. And important thing is you have to wash your hands and wipe them and rub the ghee. Sprinkle some sliced pistachios and almonds and press gently with a spatula so that they get fixed well. Now refrigerate them for 30 minutes so that they get set well, and after 30 minutes you can remove from the refrigerator. You can see it has been set so beautifully. Peel off the foil and you can cut the burfi into square shape or whatever shape you want. As we are refrigerating the burfi, lining the tray with the foil is a better option than butter paper, because foil gets peeled off easily than butter paper. Now you can see it has been set perfectly. Now we can cut them into square shape pieces like this. Now they've come out so perfectly. The taste, texture and everything was simply superb. Perfect sweetness and melt in mouth texture, and what more we need for an auspicious day. Friends, please try this recipe and write your feedback in the comments box. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new upload. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you very much for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.